I want to discuss, should I say, the two things that I talked about last night about knowing if you are on the right track of being fundable. The first thing I talked about is a QFE, qualified funding entity. A QFE is a entity that is created by you, not just some old LLC. I know most of the business credit professionals are telling you create a LLC with the Secretary of State, get your bank account, your telephone number, your URL, your physical business. That is not what I'm talking about. A QFE, a qualified funding entity, is having the ability to know if your entity that you have can qualify to get funding. Why is that important? Because there are lenders who will not lend to those individuals who are in real estate.